Once you begin the bathing process, you must place your puppy in their bathing center. Once they have been placed, you can then begin to thoroughly wash them with water. Once your puppy has been washed with water thoroughly, you can then begin the soaping process. Use a puppy-safe shampoo and remember to get every inch of them to make sure that they are clean. Once you have sufficiently soaped up your puppy, you can then place them back under the rinsing process, wash them with water, and then they will be clean and done with the bathing process. Has completed the bathing process, you can then dry them with a towel. After drying them completely with a towel, it is then important to use a hair dryer in which to finish the drying process sufficiently.